ka skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kumba Julia manusnam menta ka singi kala burom ya kumba shejar rispa kat prangun ki samla pule ki bala pendap ki jing pule ha ki kerdan baper ha ka 11th convocation bala pulang ha central auditorium jang ka skulbah na padang kita ki shejar rispa kat prangun ki samla pule ki bala pendap ki jing pule ha ki kerdan baper news pa nrupu arngun ki day ki undergraduate prosper arpsangun ki postgraduate but laipu arngun ki PhD scholars but kabakam sngo sarong kalong ba u Jeremaiah warba nakajala Meghalaya uba puli ya ka BA administration and governance ulayo ban Khur ya ka chancellor gold medal award halor ka jingla jang uban puli but lebha but one shakhmat na preng baro ki samla ba pule ha ka kerdan undergraduate akani ka sngi uba sneo bhalang dhar symbol mentri rangba ka jila ula shimbenta ko kongsan ha ka jingdan lang u Dr. Chris Gopala Krishan chairman governing council Indian Institute of Science Bangalore u M Hawk chancellor ka skulbah ki kraw perkhat na kelengkari India ki noikai ki samla pule lambat ki kmiki pa
Jeremaiah from BA Administration and Governance. Chandamira Naam from the Department of Science. From MSc Environment Science and Manju Sinha.
And a hearty welcome and their presence validates our efforts and inspires us to continue our pursuit of excellence. A special welcome is extended to the 22 diligent PhD scholars who have worked tirelessly to achieve this highest degree. Your dedication to advancing knowledge and contributing to your respective fields is truly commendable. I extend a warm, hearty welcome to our 1680 students whose dedication and hard work have led them to this remarkable milestone. Among you, the toppers receiving gold medals today stand as shining examples of academic excellence. I am delighted
as a student, as a businessman, and as a politician. I'm telling you, when I was in school life, in fact, I am a very hard-working student. But unfortunately, I'm not like you. I'm not good in studies. That is the drawback of my personality. But I have the spirit of fighting. If others can, why I cannot? That is my spirit. When I passed class 12 from Cinema Science, I tried to continue my study as a BSc student, but unfortunately, for some other reasons, I could not. And then in 2000, in the month of May, I switched to business. And I found that my life is distressed and difficult, which is almost I lose hope. Almost I lose hope. Wherever I go, I feel difficulties. And one fine evening, I made up my mind. Please remember, for you dear students, difficulties mean it's not impossible. Simple that you have to work hard. Simple, you have to work hard. Wherever I go, sometimes one of the others, I face difficult. But I'm not give up. I'm the fighter. And please remember one word, which is very common for all of us. The word impossible is not there in the leader dictionary. Please note that.
Indonesia bang ayo ini gold medal dari nomor 4 nga participate pun ki competition ba organize ki department of paper. Indonesia muswa ngam dalong kan dari buslut dari bang aju sementara barbot yang ngalong melian bat nga ulan tuh kan lagi mistakes ma bang baik kai tu menurut gue kile ada nga participate pun sen nga job pada saya jelek kat balak ni ban ni iwe competitive exam civil service